The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is a powerful upgrade over its predecessor, designed for creators, vloggers, and action enthusiasts. Resolution and stabilization: it supports 8K video recording at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, offering exceptional detail for high-end production. The flow state stabilization and 360 degrees horizon lock ensure smooth footage even in dynamic scenarios, making it ideal for action-packed environment. Camera sensor and image quality: features a 1/1.3 sensor capable of capturing 50 MP stills, delivering sharp and vibrant results. Its color profile leans slightly toward saturation, which works well for vivid outdoor scenes but may feel overly vibrant in some low-light condition. Build and design: compact and lightweight at 177 g, it includes a flip-out screen for easy framing, even in challenging angles. Battery and charging: equipped with an 1800 mAh battery, it offers up to 180 minutes of recording at 4K 30 frames per second. It supports fast charging, reaching 80% in just 22 minutes. Connectivity and features: enhanced app integration enables remote control, quick edits, and effortless sharing via the Insta360 app. Gesture and voice control 2.0 provide hands-free operation, making it versatile for various setup. Performance: the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 excels in both video and photo quality, maintaining sharpness and dynamic range in diverse conditions. However, some niche modes, like pure video, could overprocess colors in specific low-light situations. The robust build with watertight doors ensures durability, supporting up to 39 feet of water resistance. Overall, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is a solid choice for creators seeking high resolution, advanced stabilization, and a user-friendly interface. Its design and features make it ideal for vloggers, while its 8K capability appeals to professionals looking for premium video quality. Thank you so much.